Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use AI on Remini application. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Remini application. Now when you did that, you can then just go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to the Remini application. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how-to Remini videos, where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official Remini application with a lot of options to do. In the top right corner, you can go and immediately upgrade it to the Pro plan for $10 a week. As you can see, these are all the things that you will get with that. Also, you can go to the settings where you can share with your social medias. You can get the help center, the general, and everything about your profile in particular. Then here, as you can see, you have the photos and videos, and you can go and import your photos if you would like. Also, you can go and click on enhance down there in the bottom right left corner. You have AI photos where you can go and check out those. We have the AI filters where you can go and pick up from a lot of AI filters. And also you have the AI tools where you can see, as you can see, you have a lot of AI tools here also. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use AI on Remini application. Well, in the bottom of the screen, you can see that you have AI photos and AI filters. You can go click on either of those, and there you can go and use AI. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.